Today we are making authentic Ga Dangme local food, that is Kokonte with hot pepper. Hello guys and welcome back again to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. This recipe is simple, easy to make and delicious as well. So let's check on the ingredients. I have my dry cassava flour, that is my Kokonte powder. I also have Keta school boys. I have the dry one. Also some tomatoes, Habanero pepper and onion. The rest I will show you in the course of the video. I will first start by deheading my anchovies, and after that I will wash it very well, not once, not twice, because this has a lot of sand and you really have to wash it very well before you can eat it. So after washing, I will also sieve my flour and set it aside. Okay fam, so this food is best known for its medicinal properties such as treatment of stomach disorder. It also controls obesity because it's less heavy. It cleanses the body and provides natural vitamin B and C. So just to mention few, and because of all this, people prefer to consume more of Kokonte than the normal banku we all know. In my pot, I added some amount of water and also went ahead to add salt. I will cover it and let it boil for some 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes the water is boiling, so I then scoop some and set it aside. I went ahead to add my Kokonte powder and I will use my wooden spatula to stir in a circular motion in order for everything to combine very well. And if today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome. This is Getty Cooks. In this channel we make food recipes. If you are interested, please don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel and also hit on the bell icon to get notified each time I post a video. To my returning and new subscribers, thank you so much for always taking your precious time to watch every video I post. I do appreciate it a lot and I won't have been here without your love. Thank you so much for always being there. Alright guys, at this point the Kokonte is doing very well and I will keep on driving, so I will cover it and let it steam for some few minutes. After that our Kokonte will be ready. Okay guys, so you can also notice that there are no lumps in my Kokonte. It is also ready, so I will use a small bowl to scoop and mold into desirable sizes that I want. Okay, at this point I went ahead to fry my anchovies, and as I said earlier on, you really have to wash it very well in order for you to enjoy this fish. So I also wash it with some salt. So the Adam people call this bonucheche, and I added some bell pepper, which is optional. If you don't have it, you can omit it. And also if you don't have this fish, you can use smoked mackerel for this recipe. I will let this fry for some few minutes, then take it off from the oil. After a good 10 minutes, our anchovies are ready, so I'll just take it off from the oil and I will let this rest on the paper towel so that the excess oil can drain from the fish. So after that I will also grind my pepper. And if you are still watching up to this time, Thank you so much. It means you are part of this wonderful family. So please don't forget to like, share this video and also comment on this video. So far, our food is ready. This is the final outcome of our kokonte with hot pepper. With just some few ingredients, you can prepare this at home. So simple and easy to make. Some people even take this as breakfast, lunch, or supper. So I enjoyed this food with my sister and it was so delicious. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy, please give it a thumbs up, share this video, and also comment on this video. Till then, see you in my next video. Peace.